You might be wondering if you can use a menstrual cup if you have a tilted uterus, and the good news is yes, you can use a menstrual cup. According to the Better Health channel, about 25% of women have a tilted or retroverted uterus, and a lot of women don't even know they have this because it shouldn't cause any pain in your life. But the good news is you can still use a menstrual cup. It might just take a little bit longer to find the perfect placement of the cup in your body, but our cup shouldn't cause any issues at all. So, can your tilted uterus cause problems with using a menstrual cup? The answer to this question depends because every body is so different and all women are so different. Some women that have a tilted uterus find that their cup doesn't seal properly, while many women have no issue at all, so it completely depends on your body. But if you do have a retroverted uterus, here are some tips on using your Pixie Cup. The first tip is to insert your cup a little bit lower. If you have a tilted uterus, therefore a tilted cervix, your cup should still be able to seal properly beneath your cervix and the vaginal canal and catch all the blood flow with no problem at all. So just make sure that you try to insert your cup a little bit lower than you might normally think. Next, you'll want to trim the stem. Because your cup is sitting a little bit lower in your vaginal canal, you'll want to make sure and trim the stem to eliminate any discomfort. To do this, you simply want to remove your cup, sanitize it, and then trim the stem down with some scissors. Make sure to do it little by little so you don't take off too much in the beginning. And then once you trim the stem, if the corners are rough, just take a nail file and go ahead and round those corners out. And make sure to sanitize your cup again before you reinsert it. Last, you want to make sure that you give it time. It does take some time to get to know your body and how the cup will fit properly inside you, but don't give up. If it doesn't work right in the beginning or you're having a hard time creating that proper seal, just keep trying different positions and different folds until you find the right fit for you. Sometimes it only takes a few tries before you get it right, so just make sure to be patient and give it time to learn your body. If you're still unsure on whether or not you want to give the cup a try and you have a tilted uterus, I advise that you go ahead and try a Pixie Cup because we do have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if for any reason at all you're not satisfied with your cup, or if it just doesn't work for your body, we are happy to give you a full refund, so there's really no risk in giving it a try. And again, a lot of women with a tilted uterus find that they can use our cups with no issues at all. We're curious to know if you have any tips for women that have a tilted uterus and what they should do when using their Pixie Cup. So if you have any additional tips that it might not have covered, go ahead and drop them in the comments and share the love.